Asbestos. You're not supposed to sniff it, but the number one most common misconception about asbestos is that it's a chemical or something of that sort that's manufactured. But actually, asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral. And what a lot of people don't know, the state rock of California is serpentine rock, which is an asbestos rock. Number two, there's no cutoff date for asbestos. The most common misconception we hear from general contractors, developers, property managers is, oh, a property is built in this date, which is past 1978, 83, 85. We've heard all the years. And people think they don't need to test for asbestos when they're doing either a demolition or renovation that's greater than 100 square feet based on the date of construction. There is no cutoff date. So in California, any date of construction for a demolition or renovation actually requires an asbestos survey. And number three, asbestos in a mineral form that actually put into building materials, you can never see it. That's why you need a microscope to see it. And the asbestos is so small, it's calculated in the fibers are micrometers, which means they're smaller than a millimeter, they're micrometers. And you need a very powerful electron microscope to see it, which is why when we take samples, they get sent to a laboratory, which then crushes it and then looks at it under a microscope. It's something that no one can be able to take a look at a material and say, yep, that's asbestos. Usually when someone does that, they're just going off of experience and it's not 100% certainty. Hope that was useful. These are our mini series, so if you thought this was useful or if there's any other topics you want us to talk about, feel free to include that in the comments. And if you haven't had a chance to, please follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thanks for watching.